So, David Story, Class 10 English Course Book, Lesson Masaber Kania. He thon tu hi anga inum ma tin anga inum pia lama hianin thon tu hlutak mai nun kai hruai thei thon thu nia. Enge min zirti ra tum ti ngai to aran chungin sap tong thiam bel chau kan tum don nia. Nun na hi pathian thil pek hlutak mai precious tak mai ania. Chaddewa en kol hliau tur kan ni lai hian kan lo thei ngil china kan du in a tha le tha lo po ngai to lawin kan lo nung ve pop pop me china chung chuanin thutluk na decision thalo tak me min siam tira nun na hlutak kha kai toy te na lo om fo china ni voi khat kan pen swal zo hian kan dam chunga dai the ni. I hope you all have your textbook ready with you. Now let us start the story. It was 7 o'clock on a Saturday morning when the phone rang. David's father spoke quietly and said that they had lost David the previous night. In rinni zing darsari a phone ron rirang ranga. So ta chuan David a pa chuanin chuai de right hian a ma zana David a boral thu a ron soya. The narrator was grieving because she lost a good friend. But she could not linger over her loss alone because she had to think about David's family who had lost a loving son. The love between David and his family could be felt as soon as one walked into their home. His mother had left her job so that she could take care of David during his illness. She wanted to take care of him full time. A textbook hangun taka kan chiar chuan a thon thu in zia dan ka first person I we mo ka kan ti ang khanin aron ziak ta ni ama soi ang khan a soi tu narrator kha a tor me a chan chu a thian tha tak me a thian tha ber me kha a hlawa ma se alu sun na ringot kha a kha han in kwai kun ringot the kha ni lawa a chan chu David a chung te kha angai to anga ya David a chung te kha in an fapa an mangai me kha an hlawa an chung ko in mangai zia kha an in chung han lu tran tir ringot me po kha in a hriat the ani David anu phei chuanin a hna kha David a en kol turin a ban san top meya nu te hi an ro puya heta po hianin soilang mi alo khan nu din mun ro pui zia kha nu te an varo pui em ti vel ron ziak mi alo khan nu din mun ro pui tak mai nu te in pek na san zia te kha aron thai langani. Narrator said that David was and will always be her hero. They met when David was 16 when she joined class 10 in his school. There were many students in their class and she could not find a place to sit. David took pity on her and found a place for her to sit. From that day, they became best friends and their friendship grew. But David had been diagnosed with HIV, a fatal disease, no cure that would destroy his immune system and eventually leads to AIDS and death. Narrator Khan, David had been and will always be my hero. Tiani David akha ka hero ni china alani reng zeldon bokani tiani athi nuwa pokan ka hero lani reng angati anin ton masak ber cho David akum som paruk mi ni khan ni ya ka narrator kha an skula khan class 10 avazom tharveya school no pangan tamaniang an class kha tot hle meya kha me chano pang lut thar ni boxi zakzum mel me kha David khan in lo khongai meya ti chuan thutna anzon mu saka chumini atang chuanin chian thaber best friend kan ni ta ni atiani narrator khan anin kom ngei te meya ti chuanin hriat pon in hriat chiang thokhat hle ani ma se David chuanin natna ti dam thelo fatal disease HIV kha avei tlat meya chunat na chuanin a immune system a taksa a natna shiklo do tu kha ati chhezela AIDS ve ani chawanga thi na hial kha a thlen dawn ani. HIV AIDS hi adam doi mu chwala ni lo wangin fatal disease natna ti dam thei lo anti ni. David's story is one of courage because he refused to give up. He did not quit his football team and continued playing even though he was hurting and was admitted to hospital many times. The narrator used to visit him both at home and in the hospital. David knew that she wanted to ask him many questions. David a chanchin hi tumru na le hwai sen na chanchin ania. A chat chu a be dung du mi alawani. An football team kha a ban san du lawa quit. Ban san du lawa. Ti chuanin na twar chung chungin hospital a alu chuak renga voi tam taka lu ta chu chi chung chuanin ala khel lui zela. Narrator khanin in lama le hospital lama te akan fo chin orphan kan fo chin ti kha soya David po khanin narrator khanin enga motak adam lo na chungchang velte le zo na dang dang te kha zo du nei ti kha sia a. One morning at the hospital, the narrator insisted on being with him, holding his hand while David went through different blood tests. Tu khat chu damdoi na vatlo tumin narrator khanin abula omkha atilui ve tlata insisted mo an insist ve tlata ti chuanin David an thisen test sang sang nei laya a kutwan chung chuanin an thuvet an omve taran me ni. The narrator found the courage to ask him the big question. Narrator chuanin zo na asia chak ber me kha an zot taroi me ni. Big question hanti khan zo tonga chuanin zo na lian ber kan tingai lawa zo na kan sia chak ber sia chak om ber ti nani. How did he, a great football hero, a brilliant student, the class captain, contract such a dreadful disease? Eng tinge ani ang David ang football hero ni boxi le khathiam boxi class captain deni thei khatiangina kha nat na chi bai om deuh kha an kai thei kha an zot taroi mea. David told her about an old girlfriend at his grandparents' place in the neighboring town during the summer holiday. David chuanin abial nu hlui apu te khwa awazin tuma aton thar kha an shilani summer holiday ni pui chol laya awazin laya aton ania. Answering her question, he said that she was very beautiful, vivacious, and a happy-go-lucky girl. They dated for some weeks, and David had fond memories about the happy early day of dating, the bike rides, and the football games. Narrator zona a mel cha em ati to David chuanin mel chatakani vivacious harwang cha em mei tin happy go lucky girl thoveng ulsam em mei kom nuam em mei ani thoka an shila kareng moza danin kopa chuan David a chuanin anin ngai zon tir lamte bai kan han in phur te le football an en ho te chu angai chin thu te kha an soi boka. In a hard voice, David told the narrator how they crashed a friend's birthday party. Drinks were passed around and everyone was happy. David a chuanin rilunati share jang me hian an chian pakhat birthday party an crash thu kha soya crash kan ti khan somlem lawa valut vakal ve top ti nani mi de kha an hlim em meya zu in tur te po kha an han sem kwal vel boka. His cousin approached him with a glass and offered him a drink to make him feel better. David hesitated because he knew it was not good for him, but his cousin persisted, saying that everyone is drinking, why don't you? So David took a sip and another throughout the night. A cousin chuanin David an hena chuanin he en ro mi zong zong hianin an ina ingati in lo bi kang an tia zu kha aron pe ve ni persisted aron tiluya ni David hesitated David kha chuanin an hnial dewa a than chu ama ta na thalo ni ti kha sia ma se a cousin khan a persist alo tilui tlatani te chuanin David a chun an tim ve china an tem ve chin ta zela an ina zan khwa mei khanin a in taringot mei ni vaguely remember being with his girlfriend the whole night. When morning comes, he know that he had made a mistake, doing something he shouldn't have done, and he have regretted that night ever since. Abial no bula zan khwai na ti po kha a sha chiang kwang mang lo ni vaguely mo sha chiang kwang mang lo ni zinga lo ni me chuan David a chuanin thil swal lian pui me ati lo tur top ati ti kha in shita a khami zana thil ti kha ein chhir top thei lo ni blunder thil ti swal film khur lo wange mo a thlak taka thil ti swal kha regret in chhir narrator tan po khan David a alo ngai san em chin me kha a to lawa mi patlei rol beidong mei aswang to ana le alo du thu sam te lak bo sak to in chhir na akhat kha a mutaringot meya ator na kha asya thiam puyani broken boy ti kha oma theta broken ati hikke som hanti na lampang ai khan beidong asoina ni he thanked her for understanding his pain and sharing his burden. He did not look like the youthful David, always full of life. David a chuan alo hria thiam awang le a phurit te alo chok puya wangin lom tho shila man laya David a har wang mei energetic de mo khatia angkha ani to reng lawani atiani Tear stains her cheek and wonder how a bad decision could destroy such a strong, lively and caring boy. Amit tui chuan a biang ta chu tirang roi meya engtin nge thutluk na diklo khan David ang mi pano pang chak mei har wang mei mi te han kher thei mei kha ati chiat fek thei ni ti kha angai to a David had poured out his hurt, confessing and revealing his deep heart to her. She hugged him and said goodbye and promised to visit him soon. David at khan aril runat na te kha aron in bun chuak ve ni poured out his hurt idioms tong upa kan tiang kha ta han aron manga a aril ru chung rila zong kha aron soi chuak aron le bo ve ni mo ama aril ru ti ha tu te kha ang zong te kha aron shila confessing thil a za thla ke mo kan soi du zen lo han in puang ti na nia revealing ama a shiat ngai lo han soi chua kha revealing ani bokani ti chuan hugged an han in ko a an han in thla liama nakina in tlo le vat turin narrator khan a in tiam boka David was in and out of hospital many times though his health was getting worse he was always filled with a sense of humor with a smiling face for the narrator and his family David achu damdo ina khan alu chuak ring meya in and out ashi sel na chu tlaniam zel ma se sense of humor ala nei the meya narrator tan le achung te tan khan mel hlim kha ala mu thei reng me ni deteriorating lo tlaniam zel sense of humor chu fiam thu du tak fiam thu tlin tak mo fiam po dol fiam thu ama poina tho ve pe reng khatiang kha sense of humor nei cha ten ti china ni David would often give her advice on many of their outings together that life is beautiful and precious don't take it for granted an han chwa dun chang de hian David a chuanin thuron eng amo hi narrator hne na khana pichina te aron ti dalol mei te nun na hi aro puin a hlu ma ngai cham mei su lom na chang thi ishe lawange hatiani life is beautiful ti hian nun na hi aro pui ti a ko kani nun na hi amoi kan ti chuanin mizo tong dik lo kan mang don ani a thon thurem dan hi amoi ma textbook kho uluk ta kain lo chiar chuan a narrator a soi tu ber hi me chiange mi pa tunge ani a hming kha alang lo reng renga ka ai kha thireng meya first person na ji ania ti chuanin hi alai hol vela hianin hemi paragraph atang hianin te ni ti kha aron soi lang ta lol me avoi khat na tan nakina ziak turo pui tak tur te kha inin phum ru chawin ka ringa khangpo khanin he ang te kha ziak tu te ina an trick man mo an thon tho ti ro puina kan ti dona mi khatiang an man ang chi te kha lo chin chia ta na chakhop mei one day David told Tete that she was his best friend and he and her parents loved her ni khat chu David a chuan in Tete kha thian thaberani thule ama le achung te anu le patin an mangai thu kha ashila. On another occasion, David told her to be proud of herself, to hold her head high, and to love herself. Tumdang lea chuan David a chuanin te ikling tok ani ti hi hriala zak che lovin in ring tok la nangma le nangma hi in hlut thiam ro in dua thiam ro atiani love yourself hanti hian nangma le nangma in hmangai ro ti kan han le hi chuanin mizo tonga hi chuanin mani le mani in hmangai hi chu masial na lampang hi akok thei de uleka chu wang chuanin mani in hlut in ngai hlut lam kha ako mu tum jok chu ni te chuanin keima le keima hi ingtin nge kein hmangai theyang tinan zota ta chuan David a chuan ti hian a changa loving yourself does not necessarily mean putting yourself or your needs above somebody else. It does not imply that you became proud or haughty. Nang male imamo te bidang aya ngai poi mo a chapau le in luling taka han vel turin ka ti reng lo che. It's my life ka du in ka omang ti lam chu ni lo ni chu mo. What it means is that there is only one life and no one can give us a second life. It is precious. Therefore, we should respect it and take good care of it. Voi khat nung tur kan niya. Tu ma in second life min pithelo. Nun na hi alua chu wang chuanin kan za in kan enkol thaturani. Engtin nge kan in enkol thatang. Kan nung chang le kan hoi herte kan uluk pia lama khan. Ei tur tha in tur tha te kan eyang kan inang. Exercise taksa in soi zoi te kan ngai poi mo anga. Adang tam tak polo omang tin tui in tam kha kan thei ngit lo bokang o. Bidang ta na tangkai ni tur chuan keimani taksa po hi kan von hrisel kha angai ni. Towards the end of his life, David was admitted to a nursing home and there they often visited him. David still had his sense of humor. He still greeted Tete with a happy face, showing off the many tubes attached to him. David a hun top lampang chu nursing home a damdo ina amang de ubera Tete khani na vatlo fo me ni David a makna riau chu fiam thu khala du em thawa Tete ron kal chang po hianin nui sangin alo loma ti chuanin aman enkol na tube ti sang tam deuh mei om kha khang te kha an in ti thei der vela mo an in ti thei khum der vela. One day he asked Tete to be by his bedside and in a whisper asked Tete to learn from his mistake and that enjoying life does not mean to put one's life at risk. Nikhat chu David a chuan in Tete chu a khumbula lo thu turin an tia zoi sap me hian whisper Tete hne na chuan in ti hian an soya Tete kati swal to na tang hian in zero kan nun na thap kher lo hian nuam takin anun the ni tia. He also told her to remember that good relationships depend on respect and trust. in lei chi na tha reng reng hi in za ton na le in rin ton na a hian in ngatani ti nan shil mol mol boka. He grew tired and Tete quietly left the room. A chau tak em awang chuanin Tete po chuanin ngoi ringin room chu a chua san ta a. Adam lo laya avat lo chin te kha Tete chuanin a thei hil thei to lawang. A hriat chian em mei pakhat chu David an uluk tak le ama enkal chunga a soi. David asked Tete to promise him that she would value her life and know that it was precious. If she happened to be at a party or any other get together, that she would be careful. David khan Tete nena khan anun uluk tur le hluthiam turin intiam turin atia. Party na amo puik pun khom na danga akalani po in film khur em turin a cha a. David also asks her to weigh her decisions. David akhanin Tete nena khanin thutluk nai siam don reng rengin buk ton ro helam pang hian ti ila a tha zo ko ngem nge ale lampang zong khan kalta ila a tha angem enge angongang ti kha ngai to reng tur khanin a cha bokani. And not to be afraid to say no to friends who persuaded her to do something which she should not be doing. David thu cha hi apoi mo lu to kani ke ma ni cheu tan po kan chian te emo tu po in an yang chu thil kan ti lo tur ti tur min thlemin ai ka du lo kan tingam tur ania rual pol lo kan lo wang ringot te emo min thlem tu te kan hmai za wang emo kan lo wang emo khan o kan ti ringot tur ani lo ni. It's her life and no one but only herself should decide how she should live it. Poi mo ni tro anun na ania tu ma midang khanin anun dan tur kha anron soi sak tur ani lo ka ke mani apo khan lo chiang ila kan chian te emo khatiang khanin a chu tiang khatiang chu tiang an thia kan ril ruwa thalo nia kan hriat kha chu ai tin kan lo hnol ngam tur ania min tlui tur ani lo. Ti chuan David a chu chau to hmel em awang khanin te chu an in tiam zung zunga an kal san ta a. In hule avat tur chuanin an tiam tel boka. But there would be no more talks with him. David died, leaving Tete numbed with pain. Her mother held her in her arms and comforted her while she cried. Ma se in hule ni reng kha thei to don lo ni. Achan chu David a kha a thia. Tete kha na tor em meya ama kha bing chuk meya anu chuanin a lo hnem turin a lo kwa ve boka. 1 year after David's death, Tete stood beside his grave, flowers in her hand, remembering those moments they spent together and the advice he had given her. She was filled with a deep sense of peace and well-being. Kum khata liam hnu chuan David thlan chu pangpar nen avatlo a. Chuta adin lai chuanin an hun man dun chin tele. David an thurona pek te kha an ngai to le ta. Chutia adin wang lai chuan thamuan na le hlim na khani na ron tuam ta ni, filled with a deep sense of peace and well-being. Making my way back home, there was no doubt in my mind I was not alone. I sensed David watching over me with love and concern. Aho ko nga chuanin David a khanin ama khalo thlir reng hmangai takle a ngai to em hianin alo thlir reng ani ti kha te khanin a hrichiang tlat mai ni. I walked home, head held high, valuing my life, loving myself, ready to face life's challenges with courage and confidence. Ma ani in rin tok na nen ka nun na hlut zia le ka that tok na te shereng chung zelin shing nuna chawna eng po huai sen na le mani in rin tok na nen ma chon huamin in lampanin ka hota a atiani tikhan David story chu thon tho chu kan zauta a hemi kan zira tang hianin a tongkam simple English mangpo hianin thumoi tak le thuro pui tak hi azia the ani ti te kan hre chhuak a tin kan nuna theuh khan seng lu tumila Number 1. Eng ti khuna nge a narrator khan call adana eng wangin nge adon. Zona chong ani wangin a second ka paragraph shana kan chan lenga call adon laya narrator feeling eng ang ril ru nge pot kha ha kan ziak bukanga. Number 2 a tunge David a tahan chan na kha tam theya amak put dana zir khanin chan sein chan toy mei turani tin adot le a chuan eng tin nge narrator nen khan chian thaber an lo ni dan kha soi mei turania. Number 3 David a khan kha nat na ti dam thei lo kha eng tin nge a lo ve ani le a. Number 4 David an nun kong chungchanga athuron kha enge kha eng tin nge keimani le keimani kha kanin hlutang an soi nem to khatro. Number 5 Narrator khan David alaka eng thu tiam nge acham nge tiam kha narrator ti khan te kha narrator chuni. Number 6 Narrator kha David athlana adin wangwang lai khanin enge angai to kha aril ruwa khanin entin nge lo om kha ti chuanin a zona panina chuanin a hokunga khanin enge ka hrichiang ati kha. Learn to info hei hi chu a textbook a khanin han copy top tur ang kha achana kha om don lawa a textbook be chan le nangmani a ir om chwa ka in rem tur kha ni ve thung ta ni. Number 1 a chuan David a chanchin hi why sen na chanchin ani ti hi han soi fia te ti ni me a David a story kan ngai thlak to chang sanga chang khanin why sen na mo khatiang ani zia kha kan soi fia me do ni. Number 2 atopa pom om kha mi zong zong ina thutiam kan lak turania engtin nge kha a kan nun ne na in kai noi theyang engtin nge kan nun kai shoi tu tan kan man theyang ti han soi te ti ani mei tuna kan han zo na soi ang chi ho kha chu a textbook rin chana han chan thei de uve khani ta ni a me ro chu a textbook a ommi alo ma se a textbook ne na in lei chin si kha ang zo na te kha kan thluak exercise na tur ang chi te kan creativity han pholan tur ang chi zo na te kha a local ve thei bok ani entina tan a friend in need is a friend indeed hei hi han soi zau te han ti ang chi te kha kan thon thu zira tang kha chuanin achia kha a chhana kha omdon mi alo ni a me ro chu in chian that na lampang hoi lir kha kan zir ta a khanga tang te khan kan han fom khom nga kan lo shia cha le kan experience tang te khan thui de kha kan ziak me don ani ol sam takin vocabulary a hian idioms kan nei ta a mizawina tong upa kan ti me kha nia idioms chu thumal rem khom a omzia khang a thumal te kha a shana han la ka in ang mi a si lo kha ni ta ni endina ta mizo tonga chuanin ar mai tiat ti te kan nei ta ar mai tiat chu a mun zau lo te soina te ni ta ar mai ar tak mai tiat le kha ni ti na ni lawa raining cats and dogs ti te kha sap tonga te po khana oma raining chu ro sur nia cats zo te dogs ui ro kha zo te le uyen ron sur ti na lam ni lewin na sa takin ro sur kan han ti ang chi te nia in textbook an ron da kha cat show kha ni ta a column A a mi kha column B a om zianen khan thai som tur ni ta ni. Number 1 catch somebody's eye bit lazar ri rupot peng thei. Number 2 catch your breath phut zok wang emo lo wang te a han thok hlop mai han thok han top chai mai soina kha ni ta ni. 3 catch somebody napping muhil mi in rin lo laya kan hlok na tur emo katiang awanga rem chan na lo lak kha kan hlok na tur thil lo ti kha. 4 catch your dare of cold shitlang na to kai. 5 catch it shemna to emo thinrim taka mi inna min an khum na to kha. 6 catch somebody with their pants down mi anin rin lo laya za thlak tak din muna an om laya thilvati thut va bara khai thut emo va phok thut emo kha kha